Hi y'all, I'm Grandma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beef vegetable soup made with hamburger meat and it's cooked in the crock pot. First thing you're going to do is you're going to cook your hamburger meat, which I am using 2 pounds of 80/20 hamburger meat, and I diced 1 medium-sized onion, and I'm going to cook these together. And while I'm getting this cooked, we're going to move over to the crock pot and add the vegetables. Now I use canned vegetables for mine. That's what makes it so easy and so quick. I'm going to use 2 cans of corn, and yes, I use the juices. And then I don't really have to add the water. And it keeps the salt in there, so it's your choice to add salt to this. 2 cans of the green beans. 2 cans of carrots. And 1 can of diced potatoes. Because it is a beef vegetable soup, I'm using this better than bullion because I really like mine to be really beefy tasting. And I'm using just a nice big spoonful, which is probably a tablespoon, to give it that extra flavor. And then 1 large can of crushed tomatoes, because I do like the tomato sauce in there. It's more of a tomatoey beef soup. I want to stir this up just a little bit. And the hamburger and the onion is cooking right now. And like I said, the vegetables have plenty of salt in it for me, but you may like more salt. But what it doesn't have is pepper, so I will add, I'm going to say, half teaspoon of pepper to it. Now what you want to do is mostly cook the pink out, but you don't have to get it all out because we are going to put it in the crock pot and we are going to cook it for a couple of 2-3 hours, and that'll finish cooking it up. I wanted mostly to get the grease out and get it separated. Now I'm going to just take this, drain off some of the grease, and we're going to just spoon it over into our crock pot with all of our other good vegetables. And then when we get this done, we will put a lid on this, and I'm going to cook this on low, and I'm going to set it probably for 3 hours, but it can sit there all day if you want. But it should be done within 2 to 3 hours. Now we've got that in there, and now I'm just going to get it a good stir. Now a lot of times when I was little, my mom would add macaroni to it, and that was absolutely delicious. So that might be something that I do after I put this in about an hour. I might add some macaroni to it. Now we're ready to go. We're going to put it in, put a lid on it, and we're going to get it cooking. I've cooked the soup for about 2 hours now, and I'm going to go ahead and add the elbow macaroni. I'm using Barilla's gluten-free elbow macaroni. Don't need to put a lot in there, but this will keep it gluten-free. And I'm going to go ahead and cook this for about another hour, and it's going to be done. The soup is done. Now we're going to get it plated up. Well, there you have it. Very easy, very simple, and very delicious vegetable beef soup. It's cooked in a crock pot. It's made with hamburger meat. The entire meal costs right at $20, and it's going to feed several people. So give the recipe a try. Don't forget, make some comments, push like, subscribe to my page, and until next time, from my kitchen to yours, love and light.